camping tours and friendly talks, explaining different kinds of campers. There are many types of motorhomes, vans, trailers, and tents. Being in nature is good for the soul.
This is my new friend Cindy, and she is joining us here at Westport Union State Park for the Lady Glampers camp out. This is her first camp out with Lady Glampers. But you're not a stranger to camping out.
No, not at all. No, I've done a lot of camping. I enjoy it very much.
Good, good. Have you camped for a long time?
Since I was in my 20s, I guess. Yeah, off and on.
Off and on. Have you had different rigs besides your car?
Pretty primitive in the past has been tent camping.
Tent camping.
Yeah, just a tent, and we would, tent with the blow-up mattress.
Okay, and so what vehicle is this? Tell me about your car.
This is a 2004 Nissan Quest. I got it for $1 from a former roommate who just didn't want to use it anymore, and she sold it to me for $1. It took me $2,000 to get it smogged, but I still consider it a deal. So
yeah,
and
very
I've been driving
good.
it ever since.
Very good. And how long have you had it?
I've had this for about 6 years.
6 years. And you've camped in it quite a bit.
Yes, done
Great.
a lot of camping.
Okay. So this is your driver's side. What do you store in your driver's side?
When after I get where I'm going, this is my closet, my clothes, my meds, my purse stays here, so I always know where my keys are because I've lost keys before in a giant van, and that's not fun. Keeping extra towels. All of my books, things to do. This has some crochet, some books, my electronic cords, an old spare telephone, things like that I keep right up in the front seat after I get where I'm going.
Okay, so this is the driver's side back. Oh, good, that's the driver's side. So now this is where your bed is.
And this is a twin bed from an old day bed. It's a mattress, a twin mattress. It fits right in there. Got a couple of pillows. I can sit up in bed, have all the room down there, even with some extra room that you'll see down at the end.
Okay, and I see you have some jackets on the back of it.
Yeah, this is where I store my extra layers. When you're camping, you always want layers.
Okay, very good. Okay.
Yeah, you always need layers. I did some camping early in March of this year in the Death Valley, and I needed a
Good. All right, so this is the back of the van, and you have it so that you can have a little protection. And the bin is here. What's in the blue bin?
This is the bin. This is our hard goods. This has got pots and pans. I've got cast iron skillets in here. This is my kitchen utensils and items. Here's the paper plates and cups and things like that I need for cooking and serving. I keep my little propane stove, fits right in here when we're traveling as well. It's out. But all of my hard goods fit in here. Anything that I need to cook with or dice and slice.
Okay, you got plenty of water, it looks like.
Yeah, I've got some flavored water as well as some utilitarian water. There's no water at this campsite,
right.
So we're using
Bottled water.
Cooking and washing and whatnots and that.
Right. At the back of the passenger side.
This is the pantry. It's all about the food when I'm camping. I just love to have plenty of food. I've got some canned goods, cereal, dry goods. This is the ice chest for major meals and potlucks. I've got the prep items in there for our dinners. The front seat has another small ice chest that I use for my road trip ice chest. It's got some sodas and some snack kind of items that I can reach while I'm driving. Now my portable toilet and my portable privacy hut stays up here. I've never had to use it, but I have it just in case.
Okay.
So that's how everything fits in the van.
So Cindy, what is your least favorite thing about your van?
That it's so old. I'm sometimes a little bit worried to go too far away from home.
Okay. How far have you gone?
We've gone to the Grand Canyon in it and up through Death Valley. I try to keep it maintained, put new tires on it just recently, so.
About how many miles does it have?
I don't know. The odometer is broken.
Oh no.
I have no idea. So it's a 2004, so it's 21 years old. But the old man that used to own it parked it under a tree, got dementia, and wasn't allowed to go and drive it any longer. It sat under a tree for who knows how long before a coworker dug it out, refurbished, put new hoses and belts, and sold it to my former roommate. She gave it to me for $1. So
Yeah,
maybe not a lot of
Now,
miles.
do you have any power supplies, power stations?
I have a small yes, I have a small generator with
Power
a
pack?
little power pack with a little pad about like this and about like this of solar panels.
Oh, okay.
So it's a solar powered power pack. Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Very good. So what's your favorite thing about your van?
How completely self-contained it is. And I don't, you know, an RV would be nice. It would be a luxury, but I really do have everything in here. You know, aside from horrible weather, this is great. Just it meets my needs. I like it.
Okay. Anything else you can think of?
I think the best tip I ever got from anybody is if you're traveling alone, park your rig pointing out. You're ready to go. If someone looks a little funny or shady, just get in the van
And go.
drive. Leave your stuff, drive away, go find a park ranger.
Yeah. Yeah. So Cindy, if you had an emergency, how would you get back into the front?
I think I always make sure that I make my bed so that if there's a giant bear or a scary guy or something out there and I'm all by myself, I can get to the driver's seat without getting out of the van.
So you're able to climb over through the
Yes,
center.
I am, between the two seats
Seats.
there. Yeah. So
Have you had to do it?
No, I never have had to do it. Thank you. Thank goodness. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Cindy, for showing me your van.
Yeah,
Let me
thank
do
you.
your interview. And stay crafty.
Yes. Thank you.
What's the rock say?
It says 8/2025 Westport.
Yay!
Woohoo!
And you said it matches the tattoo that you have?
Show us
Very
that.
cool. All right. Maybe I'll get more views. Thank you for watching my video about Cindy's van tour. She has camped before and knows what she's doing. I want to thank my members, Sherry, Rita, Desert Adventures in Arizona, and Sally Forth, for joining and supporting my channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay crafty, smart, creative, and safe when touring other people's rigs. Bye now.